Exploring the Art of Shopping for Deals, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very practical and everyday phrase, shopping for deals. This phrase is not only common in English-speaking countries but also a crucial part of understanding the culture and lifestyle. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of shopping for deals. Shopping for deals refers to the act of looking for the best prices or discounts when purchasing products or services. It involves comparing prices, hunting for sales, and seeking special offers. This practice is popular in many cultures and is considered a smart way to shop. The key elements here are shopping, the act of buying, and deals, special offers or discounted prices. People shop for deals for various reasons. The most obvious one is to save money. By finding items at lower prices, shoppers can buy more or save for other expenses. Another reason is the thrill of the hunt. Some people enjoy the challenge and satisfaction of finding a great deal. Also, it's about value, getting the best quality for the lowest price. 1. Research. Know the usual prices of items you want to buy. 2. Compare prices. Check different stores or online platforms. 3. Use coupons. Look for discount codes or coupons. 4. Wait for sales. Major sales events often have the best deals. 5. Sign up for alerts. Many stores send notifications for upcoming sales. In many English-speaking countries, shopping for deals is almost a cultural phenomenon. Events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday are prime examples, where people plan extensively to get the best deals. Understanding this aspect can help English learners grasp not just the language, but also the cultural context in which it is used. I hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of shopping for deals. It's a phrase that goes beyond language, encompassing culture, economy, and lifestyle. Remember, shopping for deals is not just about spending less, it's about spending smartly. Keep practicing your English, and happy deal hunting! See you in our next video.